Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable high CPU usage Microsoft Compatibility Telemetry. To start, in the search box enter task. Open the task scheduler. Here, expand Task Scheduler library. Then open Microsoft and in Windows select the Application Experience folder. Now, at the top, right-click on the value, Microsoft Compatibility Appraiser. Select the option, Disable. When you do, restart the system to complete the process and fix this high CPU usage error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.